So hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Ira Tyagi, I'm an engineering student, and this video is all about hostel essentials, and this will helpful for those who are going to be a hostel. So let's start the video. So start with toiletries. It includes the toothbrush, toothpaste, comb, face wash, shampoo and conditioner. So in bath product, you should bring the nail cutter, cotton, towel, papers, tissues and the body wash over the soap. And I generally prefer the body wash instead of soap, because for the soap you have to store it in a container, so you also have to bring that container with yourself. So that's why I prefer the body wash instead of soap. So I'm using these kind of pouches in my hostel, and it helps me to store my product in different pouches, like lipstick in one pouch and the comb in one pouch and the brushes in one pouch. So I suggest you to buy this kind of pouches to store your items. Now let's talk about the medicines. Although it is available in many hostels, but you can bring some of the medicines like for the fever, headache and pain reliever, etc. So let's talk about the utensils. Carry a glass, at least 2 plates, a small one and the big one, a pack of foil paper and a tiffin to store the mess food. So now comes to the bedding essentials. Carry at least 2 bed sheets, like one is unwashed, then you can use the another one, and the 2 pillow covers with it, and the comforters depending upon the climate of that place. Let's come to the cloth section. Pack your clothes depending upon the climate of that place, but as per my advice, bring at least a party wear dress and the formal dress, because formal dress will help you at the time of your presentation in your course, and the party wear dress will help you to enjoy the fest in your college or any function that will happen in your college. So let's come to the favorite part, that is food items. It includes the biscuits, Maggi, chips, kurkure, takata, that what you like. But don't forget to bring the snacks prepared by your mothers, because it will make you feel better. Also bring airtight containers like this so that you can store your food in that. So the next one is the liquid washes. It includes the dishwashes, detergents, the sanitizer and the hand wash. So the next one is the locks and the chains, depending upon the luggage that you are carrying and for the safety purpose of your hostel room. The next one is the footwear. Carry at least 2 flip-flops, the shoes, sport shoes, Baileys and the socks. So for the essence of your hostel room, you can bring the inspirational posters, and for the vibrant vibes, you can bring the ideal god of yours and some holy books too. So let's talk about the miscellaneous. It includes the umbrella, scarf, face mask, eye mask, because roommates may have different sleep timings, and the safety pins, the laundry bags for the unwashed clothes, and the mosquito net. You can use the mosquito spray too, and also a bed table or the extension board. The remaining things are kettle and induction. If the kettle and induction are allowed in your hostel, then you can bring it. And the other thing is the bucket and a mug. So yeah, this is all about the video. I have put really a lot of efforts not to forget anything. If you really like the video, share it with your friends and subscribe my channel too.